Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Lalela, I love Zungu's confidence. Oh my word, I'm just like because now I'm listening to the evidence he's giving proper now. I'm just like, what? Uzungu eti ngamtshela umntanami uconstable ukuthi lalela ukuthi mina uGinindi angekaze angibophe ke ngoba bathi wathi uconstable Zungu esabisa ubaba wakho Absalom ukuthi uGinindi yabophana, but guys vele uGinindi yabophana and ubopha abantu abarong. We know him that angithi siyazi reputation yakho ukuthi he bophas people, he actually arrests people angibangenzele lutho in life like he did with the 5 accused. So umntanakhe is busy uyamsabisa threatening him. You know Kinindi will bopha you, he will actually arrest you. The dad was like, oh Absalom, please, I don't care, he'll never arrest me. What's mina ngazangibope? I'm just like, I love him. Hayi bandla sami ufisa ukuthi uNtuli uthwele kanzima ejele. Someone was even saying on my comments bazombulala lo. I'm just like, hey, 6 life sentences uya abuse nje wena ejele. Bakwenza lokhu bakwenze lokhu. And it turns out no one came to see him bavele bamthatha ngalezo impahla bayomlahlela at the cell. Yo gazozwa vele ufisa ukuhlontulwa abantu. Nothe ena I-testimony Absalom une-strategy ubalo uzovela afike athi no it's hearsay. Ushem kanjani? UGinindi namanga guys. UGinindi azinzi. Kahle uGinindi afana ngingabaseboshiwe uma usubuka kahle. Guys, yabona Khosi Mampuru. They have a serious problem with Fiso Kuhlentula. I'm telling you, and you can see ukuthi it's someone's doing. So looking phela wayesephethe Khosi Mampuru. Remember, bayiphakathi e-correctional services. Tell me into enzakalayo. Tell me what those inmates are doing there. Report to me. Kwabangani bakhe. Lalela kuzophela konke lokho. This year is a year of revelations. Hey, kulo nyaka lo ngiyakutshela mfana nabangani bakho bango-1912 ababengekho right bazoqhamuka manje. Yonke inkohlakalo is outside right now. Guys, bayamhlupha uFiso Kuhle. He even has visible injuries. Cabanga guys, uRatha ngiyakaza afuna ukwabona. Unqamala is like, can we show you now? Shembane serious beef noFiso Kuhle Ntuli. My thing is that I hope ubungashayela usenzo moya ngoba phela awukazi uzombulala. Angithi wena unama case akho vele ama 6 life sentences akho that have nothing to do with the senzo moya case. Can they just concentrate on that and maybe mshaya basitshela ukuthi bamshayela lokho? Like ukuyibona le nto. You just like, bruh, please. We are here to clear the guy's name. Umsholo is there for that, you know. Hence Unqumalo is actually standing up for her. Ukuthi no. Lo baba lo akazi azam-analyze usenzo meyiwa nathi into esibhizi ngayo ngixabanelana nalo muntu lo nimshaya lapha eKhosi Mampuru and apparently guys they actually dragged him out of the cell when he refused to come to court. Bathi uzohamba actually in fact ufake uniform ke yala eKhosi Mampuru just for that. So Absalom continues to say when the minister is reading the stuff that Ukinada had actually gave evidence on, or should I say testified on as well, same thing. But he's just like Absalom Zungu. I don't know anything about Senzo Meyiwa's case in Nogufa kwakhe. I know nothing. Khona some stage to tell your process. And no process is actually being polite in Zulu to say Hutumuntunamanga actually is a liar. I just feel like, why is he even sugarcoating things? Engabuthi unamanga loyo kange phansi. Wathi uZungu no. Uyaphosisa, uGinindi uyangiphosisela. All those things that he's saying, which mina ngavuma, and actually uGinindi mina kidnap me. So I'm just like, wow, guys, uGinindi asabasabi. They have time, to agree ngokuthi ngivume the whole thing yakhe wonke lamanga akafanele ngivume mina ngithi yes, no, I'm not going to agree to that. As I said, no, we still gonna break it down. Zonke ezinye izinto uGinindi ayishelo wait ngoba he was just like Absalom. No, I can just tell him ezinye izinto. No, not now, you know, because he's just taking his time. But Absalom is trying. He's actually very polite about this whole thing, actually. Guys, honestly, uGinindi kanti unjani? Umntana abantu was even afraid. Absalom uthi, you know what? Ngathi ngithi ngakhuluma bathi ngesizwe ngawe wena bamthatha kanjalo, and he says he kept quiet. Because these days people die easily. Umnisi is rubbing it in. Uti, listen, I must tell you, Mr. Zungu, you were actually abducted. You were taken against your will. Uti is not helping. Umnisi is just like, listen here, look here. You were taken against your will by Abantu. Like, honestly, because he's asking him, was Gininda in the car? He's like, yes, he was there as well. As these guys are telling me, it's busy telling me, you know, we're not going to be told by you what to do. You're not saying anything to us. In fact, you know? Oh, guys. Like, honestly, Gininda, abone power, guys. Some people are just, they abuse power, guys. Completely. Umuntu abuse power, guys. How did they even get this job? How do they even deserve this job, for that matter? That they took it to other levels in their power. Utu Zungu, he doesn't have grudges with anyone, in this world. But if something happens to him, this is the second time he's telling us this line. Yoguti, if something happens to me, if someone actually unalives me, it will be Gininda and my own son. But I don't have grudges with them. I don't even have a problem with them, actually. I don't have a problem with them at all. But I can see in Djibouti, something in Mina, as South Africans, actually the person that actually unalived me was my own child, my own son, and Brigadier Bongani Nicholas Gininda. Absalom was subjected to crazy things. Even Kabila izazi inkabi uzazelaphi Absalom indlalela nje ngalo baba umdala kangaka guys Gininda kebalibona izulu that person will never see heaven. Ubona uBrigadier Gininda put together wakhe entourage yakhe uBaloyi. Those people are not right, guys. Abantu abanjani laba? Yo, Absalom wabantu ney'nkabila forced ukuthi azazi. Guys, I'm just like, no, this is like so crazy. Oh my gosh. This version of Gininda of the cooking and manufacturing is just taking other directions with Absalom, promise you. Guys, Ubaloyi, what is he trying with this signature thing? Because, I mean, we have actually established that Gininda is lying, especially about Absalom. But then again, Gininda is lying about everything else, you know? He has his own version of the people that came into the house. Exist. So now, when Umnisi is arguing about the signature, also no, it's not something that we can talk about now. We can argue it later. Guys, because those signatures are not Absalom's signatures. Guys, that's wrong. Absalom Zungu says that the police officers that were in the car with him, including Gininda, obviously, are the ones that were busy coaching him. Uguti, this is what you must say. Creating these lies, cooking and manufacturing with him. Imagine. Guys, it's not right to listen to me. It needs to just stop at some stage, honestly. Guys, I don't know if you heard Urata when it started, Gutuano or accused, the 5 accused, Urata 6. I was just like, 79 years, you're busy doing a case because Backlanda, you are good with convicting people. Urata wakwa convict umuntu for 200 years. Is there anything like that? He's waiting for that. Yeah, you know, good. He wants to find these guys guilty, all of them. He can't wait. That's his specialty, in fact. So, guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Can send that over.
Kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi uGininda nengane yami. Ngiyakusho lokho enkantolo ngiyobe ngibulewe uGininda nengane yami.
I am saying this, I do not hold any grudge against anyone, even if something was to happen to me. The Zungu clan will take me to my home, but I'm saying it here in court, it would be Gininda and my son. People that would have killed me would be Gininda and my son.
Yeah, angazi nami sofuna oba ngisho ngithi la kulesi lencwadi ayenza uGininda statement lesi bengisafuna vese ukuthi ke ngikhulume. Yeah. ngoba lezi ngiyakwazi konke okwenzeka la ukuthi begqitshwa
Yeah, we'll give you that opportunity, Mr. Zungu.
Sizokunikeza baba uZungu lelo thuba lelo.
Yeah. But be rest assured, you are in safe hands now. The court is looking at you. The court will put all mechanisms in place that nothing happens to you, because you are vital not only to this house but to the court himself.
Ngiyaqinisekisa ke inkantolo ikubhekile, inkantolo iyakubona, inkantolo izokwenza isiqinisekiso sokuthi uvikelekile ukuthi akukho okuzokwenzeka kuwena ukuthi ke usemqoka kakhulu hayi nje kuphela ke la kule ndlu kodwa ke nakwinkantolo.
Do you understand?
Iyezwakala baba.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, when your son, Skhumbuzo Zungu, testified, he told this court that the reason why you came to Pretoria, it was because you had to come and confirm that he himself indeed grew up in KwaNongoma. I'm saying
Yes.
the reason why, or according to your son, Skhumbuzo, when he testified here in court, he told this court that the reason why you had to come to Pretoria, it was for you to come and confirm that he himself, Skhumbuzo, grew up at KwaNongoma.
Indodana yakho ngenkathi ithula ubufakazi-ke la enkantolo yathi isizathu sokuthi-ke wena baba uZungu ulethwe la ePitoli kwakuwukuthi-ke uzoqinisekisa ukuthi ngempela yena-ke Skhumbuzo Zungu ukuthi impela wakhulela KwaNongoma.
Now, the question is, did he himself, Skhumbuzo, or even Brigadier Kininda, ever request you to come over to Pretoria to come confirm that Skhumbuzo grew up at KwaNongoma?
Manje-ke umbuzo kulo, ingabe kwenzeka yini ukuthi indodana yakho kanye naye uKininda ukuthi-ke bacela ukuthi uze lana ePitoli ukuthi nje uzoqinisekisa lokho ukuthi indodana yakho yakhulela KwaNongoma?
Ayikhulelanga akazi sikhulume lutho ngayo ba ingane yami ayikhulelanga KwaNongoma khumela.
Ukhulele kuphi?
Khulele eNkandla.
Okay. No, we never spoke about that. And my son did not grow up in KwaNongoma. He grew up in Nkandla.
Thank you.
Ebevakasha mayifike kwayegcina evakasha kodwa lokho ngingabeka nje lokho aqashwa aba yiphoyisa nje.
Yeah.
Akazeze ngisho ekhaya nje.
Okay. He would just be visiting. But since his appointment as a police officer, he never even ever visited my home.
Thank you. Now, just to confirm what I've asked you, this is said on the 11th of October 2023, on the proceedings of the 11th of October 2023 at page 90, when he was cross-examined by Mr. Ramusipili on line number 17. This is what he said. Mr. Ramusipili asked him, and you would not know with whom he came to Pretoria for the noting down of the statement. And then the answer that came from Mr. Zungu is that all I know is that I had to bring my parent, meaning one parent, to Pretoria, to come and confirm that indeed I grew up in KwaNongoma.